In this video, we are going to see how we can add a playlist section to your YouTube channel homepage. So if you want to show the playlist on the home tab, on the face of the home tab on YouTube, here's how you can easily add that section. So to make all of that customizations on the home tab, all you have to do is just click on the customization section on the left hand side, and then you want to head over to the home tab, and here we have the channel trailer, and then we can add different sections to it. You also get short videos, and for you. So we want to add a section, and from here we can choose single playlist, created playlist, and multiple playlist. So let's say that we choose created playlist. So whatever playlist we have created, it will add it here in this section. And also if you want to move that up right after the channel trailer, you can easily move that to whatever point you want. After making all of that changes, you just hit publish on the right hand corner, click on that, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.